Oh, you sweet girl. You're a sweet girl. Yeah.
Close your eye.
I can see. You ham. Let's see if you eat it all.
Why come in your eyes?
What?
Why are you closing that other eye?
So I can see.
Mom. Dad's looking at you. Why are you coming in your eyes?
So I can look through the camera.
Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Why? I can see eyes.
Whose juice is this in the blue top?
Me.
Blue top cup,
Brian, Matt, I think.
The other one's Brian?
Uh-huh.
Oops. Made juice.
Look, she really does eat.
But why you coming your eye? You have to eat, Daddy. You have to eat. You have to eat, Daddy. How come you're doing that?
I'm gonna eat later with Mommy.
It's mine.
Is that good, Matt? Yeah?
Daddy's trying to wash.
Great. Daddy, you will make this in the paper.
What am I trying to do?
Did you wash the straw?
Yeah, I rinsed
They
it.
crack. They don't stay.
No, they won't. Is that good, Brian? Yeah.
Bye. I'm gonna beat them. In the winner, I'm gonna beat.
She's not the winner. You the winner?
Yeah. I'm the winner. No, you have to eat all of it, and then you're the winner. Don't say no. Don't say no.
Why don't you use your fork, man? Hmm?
No.
Why?
I'm gonna be the winner. Look, Daddy. I'm the winner. Yes, yes. Yes, I'm the winner. I'm the winner. Yes, yes. Oh, yes. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes. Yes, no. No. Yeah. You're not the winner, right? No. And Brian's not the winner either. I'm gonna be the winner, see? Look. I'm the winner. No, look. That's good. And you are. Matthew's gonna be another winner. Brian's gonna be the last one. Yeah. Yeah. You're gonna be the last one. I'm first, he's second, and you're last.
Lauren, spell your name.
L-A-U-R-E-N.
What?
L-A-U-R-E-N.
And what's your middle name?
Lauren Ashley.
And what's your last name? Can you spell the last name?
Yes.
No?
What's the letter?
What, man?
Don't forget it.
Who we sing?
Alright, I'm coming.
Sillyville? Who? Jimbo the Clown? Say Jimbo. Say Jimbo.
I want more. Tracy.
Who? Aunt Tracy? You want to go hunting, Brian? Where you want to go? Hunting? Where? Shoot the deer?
Yeah.
With who? Uncle Joe? Where, in Pennsylvania? Yeah? What are you going to do when you see the deer?
No.
You going to shoot it?
No.
So,
What kind of deer?
Use your fork.
the daddy one.
The daddy one?
Yeah.
What do you call the daddy one?
I really saw the buck. The buck.
You shoot the buck?
Yeah.
With who?
And the big one, the big ears.
Yeah, the big ears and the big antlers?
And the big ears.
Who's going to be there, Uncle Joe?
And in the room.
You shoot the girl deer?
In the room.
Yeah, you put it in your room then?
I got them in the room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to go hunting too? You want to shoot a deer? What kind of deer?
It's too heavy. Big, humongous one. It's
Yeah?
too heavy.
Ooh.
That's what we do in school.
It's too
Ooh.
heavy. Big one.
Man, you want to go hunting?
Yeah.
With who?
It's too heavy.
Who you going to go with?
It's too heavy.
And what do you want to do? Shoot? What kind of deer? Yeah? And who are we going to shoot? A buck?
Hurry, Daddy. Shoot a buck. Bing. Yeah, bing. Oi.
What do you guys do in school?
No.
What do you mean you don't know? You know what you do in school.
Said that he
What's your teacher's name?
I peed too.
What's your teacher's in school name, man?
Good. Miss Lynn. Exton. Miss Lynn. Miss Lynn and Miss Sue. I forgot her other name. Daddy?
I don't know. What's your other teacher's name?
Lynn. Listen. The other teacher.
What's your teacher's name, Brian?
Pete.
Hmm?
No.
You don't know. Miss Lynn and who?
Miss Anita.
Miss Anita.
Oh, yeah.
And what do you do when you're in school, Brian?
Miss Lynn and Miss Anita.
Brian, what do you do when you're in school?
Lauren.
What? What?
Brian,
Janet, eat your dinner.
do you paint?
Yeah.
What else?
Play-Doh.
You play with the Play-Doh? What else? You play doctor?
Play-Doh? Yeah. You play doctor?
You go in a park?
Park. The park.
Yeah.
You play in the
Who's
woods.
coming? Who's coming soon?
The dog.
Uncle Joe's coming tomorrow. No, who's coming? Lauren's got it. Who's coming? And maybe. And Brian, what does Santa say?
Ho, ho, ho.
What does he say, man?
Ho, ho.
And what does he do? He brings what?
Lauren, eat.
Happy birthday, presents.
And sister, happy birthday presents.
Present's a present, right?
Christmas presents.
Christmas presents.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Brian, you say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Very good. And
Merry
Lauren,
Christmas.
you say.
Happy Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And a happy new year.
And we'll sign off with Mommy's face.
Alright.
We love you too, darling.
Dolly?